Okay, I'm in Aldi's. I'm in a different area. It's not my normal um, local location. And I just wanted to, some of the things that I saw in here, I had to get a price on. What I had to make a video about these prices and some of the items. Now you can't beat that, man. I need to get one. I saw it earlier, but I wasn't really thinking about it. Man, a pillow for $5, and I can tell it's one of those decent pillows. Yeah, for $5. Excuse the noise. Oh my gosh, the replacement cocoa liners, 29 cents. Man, in my area, you're not gonna see nothing like that. Now, this is another thing that I said I was gonna have to make a video about. This Boho hanging chair, and even where I'm from, I don't know. It might be that price, but I think it would be more than that. $29, $39. But that's real cute. It's something to think about, just to make sure that the tree is sturdy enough to handle that. The small plants, $4.99, $3.49. Bamboo plants, $6.49. So okay, I'm just gonna skim over some of the things that I was really looking at. Towels, bath towel, hand towel, and washcloth. So you either get the towel by itself or the hand towel with the washcloth for $7.99. That's some decent prints. You got the runners, $14.99, $12.99. Then you have some bed sets. As far as I can see, it's a twin and a full. But this right here, because there is a full. And then you have the full and the queen, $12.99. And I like those. I like the color of those pillows. Okay, $12.99. I like the burnt orange. That's one of my colors. Let me see what else is over here. Handheld steamer, $12.99. Candles, $8.99. Let me smell them real quick to see what kind of smell they have. And these are so cute. I like that. That's a decent smell. Sea salt. Let me pick one more. See if I can get a different scent. Oh, this is real cute. White orchid and moss. Yeah. And here's some $5.99 candles. And I see over here on the other side, they've got the regular candles for $3.99. Then they have some for $2.99, for $2.49. I might have to get these. You see what kind of scent they have. They decent. But I tell you what, another thing that I saw that I have to have, that I was really looking for. I wonder how much this Spins sweeper is. And this is some candle sets. That's nice too. Oh my gosh, they've got some big candles. And they're bigger than what I've been getting at the other stores. And they're on sale. Okay, let me show y'all. This is a huge this is a 4-wick. I don't think I've even seen. If I have, I didn't pay attention to it. They're $14.99. Regular, it was $19.99. That's a real big candle. And they've got a diffuser, a regular smaller candle, $3.79. Let me see what this smells like. They decent. Because I can tell there's some damn rose with cherry blossom close enough to me. So, let me see. Foldable storage, $12.99. Autumn. Fresh cloth, face cloth. How many? 5. Oh, that's not bad. 5 pack for $4.99. Then they have the toothbrushes with the refill, $4.99. See, I don't see stuff like that where in my area for the most part. I'm not saying that they don't have good stuff. Okay, this is another reason why I was in my car about to leave, but I said no, I've got to take do a video. Okay, they've got the Ambiano coffee maker, single serve, regular price $29.99, which is $30. So it's on clearance for $22.99. I'll even look at the coffee pot organizer, $16.99, or the mug tree. Let me see. They probably, I don't know if they have some mugs in here. I'm gonna just show this real quick just to see if they have something in here. It says hold 6 mugs. So I doubt it. No, it doesn't look like they have any. But this is one thing I wanted to show that I had to turn around and come back because I didn't see it in my store that I can remember. They have the Belgium waffle maker for $12.79. The regular price is $16.99, and most of the time these cost about $20. And I see another kind up at the top, and I don't know if it's the same exact one. It's just a different color. Then you have the Ambiano high-speed blending system for $24.99, and I'll show the other side of it to let you see the different attachments that they have with the different size cups, the lid rings, and the lip rings. So let me see, what else did I see? Oh, y'all need to check on the pots. Now, I didn't really see these right here. And then you've got the 20 or 30 piece food storage sets. Now that's not bad, $5.99. And let me see what else. They've got area rugs for $39.99. And here goes some more pillows. Once again, it's not the same size as the other one. It's a larger pillow, and it's only $7.99. You can't beat that. The only way you can beat it is if you get a 2-pack, which I have, but we won't talk about that right now. Okay. They've got the charge ports that have the actual, let me turn it up the other way, USB actual ports. As you can see, these $16.99. Then they have a different kind. 1, 2, 3, but 4 USB ports, which I kind of need this, but you know, I'm not worried about that right now. I'm on a mission for something else, so I just took the time to come in here and make a video on these items, because I just don't see those kind of items really at my location. Ooh, look at that. Hardtail. Oh, that's for the pets, but it's still a nice product. Hard to tell 3-in-1 pet sprayer. Let me get it out so you can see what it looks like a little bit better. Nice little sprayer. Let me see, portable inflator. Oh my gosh, I need this so bad. But then I have one. I just need to figure out what's wrong with it. If it's the, yeah, that's a good thing to get. I mean, it's really came in handy. It's only $16.99. Very important. So anyway, oh, they have the hammocks in here, $14.99. Oh, and they have a ice maker, $89.99. I think that's all that's real important that I needed to show. Oh, no, I take that back. There's a couple of things over here. So you can check your own store. They have the Aldi insulated thermal bag, $7.99. That's good for people that needs to keep stuff hot and cold, whatever. Well, cold, I don't know about the cold. I think thermal is just for the hot. So they've got 2 different bags. And I think that's it. So, yeah, the tumbling composter is $49.99. So I'm gonna shut it down on that. I just wanted to make a quick video. Oh, I see another section. I'm glad I saw this because I didn't even see this section at all. So they have some more garden accessories. So I'm gonna skim through that real quick. Well, it's not just garden accessories, but okay. Air fryer, compact. Now this is good to check on. Compact air fryer, $34.99, white and black. Okay, they have an Ambiano pressure cooker and fryer cooker combo, which is $100. You can't beat that. Portable blender, $16.99. Let me see what else is over here. Some more pillows. Okay, they have Huntington home wardrobe or shoe organizer, $29.99. Garden line bird feeding station, $14.99. Steering wheel, $5.99. Let's see about this portable table. I don't know if it's actually a price over here. I know that's not the price down there, but that's not a bad thing to find out a price about. But just check your local stores to see if they have these items. Because once again, let me make an announcement. Ambiano pressure cooker and air fryer combo. Air lid included, $99. Ambiano compact air fryer. They have it in 2 different colors, $34.99. And let me see. That's that coffee maker again. So anyway, I'm gonna shut it down. Oh no. Soul furniture, couch table. That's not a bad price. Let me see what kind of table this is. Let me show it to you real quick. Not a bad table. So yeah. Not bad. 14-piece bath rug and shower set, $12.99. Not bad. That's a decent. I'll just hold up one just to see what's all in it. The rug, a small rug probably, and a shower set. So that's not a bad deal. I don't think I've seen one like that before. Then the pillows. I don't know if I think it's $9.99. So yeah. Wardrobe organizer, $22.99. Oh, let me get this real quick. Fold-in multi-purpose cart, $49.99. And hoses, garden hoses, the soakers, $7.49. So I'm gonna shut it down on that right there. They have some gloves also. Knee pads. Lots of little accessories. So I'm going to shut it down. Alrighty.